I already did this intro. I think I did. But anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. We are back with another video. Yes, I have on the same clothes, but it is a different day. This is a different video. This is a different week. This is a new week, okay? Today is crocheting for the first time amigurumi or amigurumi. However you say it, that's the word. We are creating one today. I've already started, okay? I brought my pattern off of Etsy. I think her channel name is One Piece Crochet. 1 cent crochet. I will put it here so you guys, or I'll have it in my comment description box, wherever. The information will all be there, but I purchased mine off of Etsy, so this is not my pattern. I do not take credit for this. I just wanted to try a plushie for the first time, amigurumi for the first time. So today, what are we making? We are making a sunflower turtle. It looks like this. So that is what we are creating today. This is my, actually no, this is my second time making one. The first time I made a snake. It was a long snake that my daughter wanted to make for her room. It was a pink snake. Her room is pink. I made her a long pink snake. But yeah, that one went pretty good. It was not that hard. The only thing is the wrist, because you have to use a thicker yarn and a bigger hook, and I'm not really used to that. I love my 5mm. I love my 4.25. I love my 3.75. But we are making a sunflower turtle. So as y'all can see, this is Parfait XL. This is in the color, this is a 7, weight 7. Where is the color at? This is in the color, I have no clue, y'all. Sage. This is in the color Sage. I brought this a while back because I planned on making it a long time ago, because I was going to be into amigurumi and doing plushies, because I love Crochet by Jenna channel, and she had wanted to make plushies, but then I was like, yeah, no, it's too much. But yeah, I have this one, and so far I have been making it because I didn't want to make a fool out of myself. So right now I have the head of the turtle. I don't know why this does this, but yeah, I have the head of the turtle. I have the 4 tails or fins. I have the 4 fins. And I have the sunflower base. Can y'all, if y'all do amigurumi, can y'all let me know why does it point up like this when I'm crocheting? Like, I tried to do the magic circle, which is very hard with this type yarn, and then it just started to cone up like this. So yeah, I don't know. Like I said, it's my first time. Don't judge. Just put some tips and tricks on how I can be better at it. Okay, so this is the shell, and now we are going into the body, the bottom body of it, I think. And then I have a tail, and then I have the petals to do. So y'all come along with me on this journey. If y'all are new, welcome. Put a purple heart if you are new, and let's get this ball rolling. I will come back with progress so you can see how and what I've done so far, and we'll go from there. So see y'all in the montage. Well, I won't see y'all, but I'll see y'all in the next clip when I made some progress. belly to do. Petals, sewing and then petals. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so some progress I have made. I finished the shell, the body. So this is the, let me see what this piece is. This is the belly, so this goes on the bottom. So I finished the belly. I have the shell, which goes on top. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be like this, stuffed. And then I have the petals, the fins that goes inside of the hole right here, which I have 4 of them. So I'm guessing it goes like this, and then you just sew it together like that and keep it moving. So I'm going to do the petals on the shell, attach, and we will see what I come up with. Okay, so y'all, we are done. We are done. It took 2 days to make this plushie, this amigurumi, and I can now say that I am done and I've completed the task. Are y'all ready to see it? I don't think y'all ready. You ready to see it, son?
Ready.
Say hi to my son.
See you, son.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, go. Okay, so without further ado, drum roll please. Here is my plushie, you guys. Here it is. Okay, so I had a little bit of complication. So yeah, we had some difficulties with the head because I was not paying attention and I put it on the wrong way, but I kind of razzle dazzled it to make it go right. It's still kind of wonky, but you live and you learn. Here is the sunflower petal. Here it is. But yeah, as Jenna would do, here's a little hug check so you can see how big it is. It is the size of a newborn baby. And I did it. I made it, y'all. So yeah, y'all go make you one. It feels so soft. It's so snuggly. My daughter wants it already. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video for this long. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want to see any other amigurumis. I'm up for the challenge. Maybe. But this only took 2 days, y'all. I promise y'all it did not take long. I think the hardest thing for me was the petals at first, but then I got the hang of it after doing 2 petals, so it was pretty easy. And the stitches itself wasn't that hard to see like I thought it would be. It was just a lot with wrist movements, and it's a certain way you gotta crochet when you're doing Chanel yarn. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Little brown